We're the pre-K team. We're not the principal. We're the kindergarten team. We're not the principal. We're the first grade team.
We're not the principal. We're the second grade team.
Hi, I'm not your principal. And I do have a team. Oh wait, there they are. We're your third grade team.
We're not the principal. We're the fourth grade team.
We're not the principal. We're the fifth grade team.
We're not the principal.
We're the instructional assistants. We're not the principal. We're the support team.
We're not the principal.
We're the EC team.
We're not the principal. We're the custodians. We're not the principal. We're the Cougar Care team.
We're not the principal.
We're the office staff.
I'm not the principal. I'm the lead teacher.
I'm not the principal. I'm the AP.
I'm Miss Davis, and I am the principal. We are excited about this school year, and we want to invite you to come out this Thursday from 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Hope to see you there.
Oh, you're still here. Well, let me take this opportunity to say, don't forget your $12 school fee. See you at open house.